Irrigation farming in Kenya is a vital strategy to support agriculture, especially in arid and semi-arid regions where rainfall is unreliable. However, despite its potential, irrigation faces several challenges that limit its productivity and expansion. The problems can be grouped into environmental, technical, financial, and socio-economic issues. 1. High initial and maintenance costs. Establishing irrigation schemes requires large capital investments for infrastructure like canals, pumps, storage reservoirs, and machinery. In addition, regular maintenance of these facilities is costly. Many smallholder farmers cannot afford these expenses. 2. Water shortages. Many areas where irrigation is practiced, such as Bura and Perkerra, experience frequent water scarcity, especially during prolonged dry spells. Over-reliance on rivers can lead to reduced water availability during droughts, affecting crop production. 3. Siltation of canals and dams. Soil erosion upstream results in the deposition of silt in irrigation canals and dams. This reduces their water carrying capacity and increases the cost of desilting and maintenance, often leading to system breakdowns. 4. Salinization of soils. Over-irrigation or poor drainage in some areas causes the accumulation of salts on the soil surface, especially in hot and dry regions. This leads to reduced soil fertility and crop failure, a common issue in poorly managed irrigation schemes. 5. Outbreak of waterborne diseases. Stagnant water in irrigation canals and poorly drained fields may become breeding grounds for mosquitoes and other disease vectors, leading to an increase in diseases such as malaria and bilharzia among communities living near irrigation areas. 6. Land tenure conflicts. In some regions, unclear land ownership and disputes between local communities and irrigation scheme authorities hinder the smooth implementation and expansion of irrigation projects. 7. Poor management and misuse of resources. Some government-run irrigation schemes suffer from poor coordination, mismanagement, and corruption, which leads to wastage of resources and poor returns on investment. Inefficient use of water also lowers productivity. 8. Inadequate technical skills. Many farmers lack proper training on modern irrigation techniques and water management practices. This results in poor system usage, wastage of water, and low crop yields. 9. Limited research and innovation. There is a lack of adequate research into appropriate irrigation technologies and crops suitable for various ecological zones in Kenya. This limits innovation and adaptability of the irrigation systems to local conditions. 10. Insecurity and vandalism. In some regions, irrigation infrastructure is subject to theft or vandalism, especially where there is conflict or high levels of poverty. This leads to frequent disruptions in farming operations and discourages investment.